Hello everyone, and welcome to another insightful exploration of the Camel developer experience within VS Code. Today, we're diving into the seamless setup, building, running, and debugging of Camel Quarkus native applications. Before we get started, let's ensure you're equipped with the necessary environment. You can set it up by installing the extension pack for Apache Camel by Red Hat. Check the video description for additional requirements like JDK, Maven, etc. Now, let's highlight two crucial extensions from the pack for this demo: the language support for Apache Camel and the debug adapter for Apache Camel. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's generate an example camel route using Java DSL within a clean VS Code workspace. Launch the VS Code command prompt and input camel. From there, find the Create a Camel route using Java DSL option among the quick picks. The next step involves exporting this camel route into a Camel Quarkus project. Utilize the command camel, create a Camel Quarkus project from the command palette for this purpose. Once the Camel Quarkus project is created, you can safely delete the original camel route used for the initial export. Now, we're all set for building the native Camel Quarkus application. As part of the Camel Quarkus project creation command, a .vscode folder with predefined VS Code tasks is generated, enabling hassle-free execution of build or run commands for the native build of the Camel Quarkus application, all set up for debugging. All of these tasks are also available through auto-completion inside tasks.json common file. To initiate the native build, open the VS Code command prompt and type task. Then, simply select the correct build task from the offered quick picks. Building of this example native app might take around 5 to 10 minutes. The build succeed. It's time to run our debug-ready Camel Quarkus native application. The creation of the project also generated a VS Code launch configuration, making it incredibly easy. Switch to the Run and Debug view and click on the Start button. The camel route will commence within seconds, and you'll notice log component messages appearing in the terminal view. To verify that our application is debug ready, I'll place a breakpoint into the camel route. As expected, the route halts immediately, and the camel debugger is attached. In the Variables section, you'll see the value of the message from the log component. And that concludes today's tutorial. Thank you for investing your time in watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to click on follow and give this video a thumbs up. Wishing you all a fantastic day. Goodbye.